Hello everyone, welcome back. When we put iPhone on charging and the same time the screen wallpaper turned black, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first solution is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, we have to go to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off and wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go back to settings and tap on battery and disable airplane mode. After disable the airplane mode, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press the side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After force restart, if you still have the same issue, then we have to launch settings again and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If already updated, then scroll, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all the settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. These are the simple and easy ways to get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.